Hey guys, just wanted to talk about my one of my favorite things about the house is this Delta faucet, and it's got the touchless feature. So you can of course just turn on the water as you normally would with the hand valve here. But let's say you're baking cookies or kneading bread or baking or something, your hands are all dirty and you don't want to get flour all over your sink to just make a bigger mess. If you leave the faucet on, you can actually just touch the sink anywhere from about this coil all the way on down, and the water will turn on. Very nice to have, and one of my favorite things about this like kitchen and sink area. My only complaint about it is so it runs off of 6 AA's, and maybe only lasts like a month and a half at a time. And I don't know just who wants to be replacing AA's every month and a half. So I did a little bit of research and found AA's make 1.5 volts. That's for the electricity there. And C batteries also make 1.5 volts. But because they've got the larger size here, they've got a lot more capacity, so they'll last a lot longer. The neat thing is the battery case that came with this will actually fit C batteries. It came with a little insert. You can actually just take the insert out. C batteries fit right in. It works great, and the batteries will last for several months without having to have to change them. So I'm gonna show you how to pull it out, change the batteries, and not something you should have to do a whole lot. Okay, looking under the sink here, if you follow from the faucet up here, there's just this red wire goes to this little box here. This is the battery box. You can see right here, and it's just got these two little circular tabs for your fingers to pinch in there, and you'll see it springs right open. And then we can take this up on top of the counter to do the rest here. Okay, so yeah, now like I said, so I got the little battery compartment here. You can see it's got the little infographic if you forget which way to put the batteries when you put this all in here. As far as I could tell, I did some research online. There's nothing really official that says that this takes C batteries. So again, but just again, doing some research, I found they do the exact same thing. So you'll see it's got this little tab right here in the middle. You can pull it straight out, and there's a little carrier for the AA's, and throw that away. And again, what I'll do is take these C batteries, following the little pictogram here. You can just pop these in. They fit right in there. No big deal. Okay, and you can see those fit in there nice, and quite a bit more battery capacity there. So let's go back underneath. We'll plug it back in, and I'll show you that it works. Okay, we're back under the sink here, and you can see I've got the little cap thing here. So the good news is this will only go on one way, so you cannot put it on incorrectly. And there we go. So that just goes right on, and it's right back here. And I'll take you back up to the top side with the sink and show you that it works. Hey, okay, so got the C batteries in on the battery for the faucet, and now all that's left is to test it out. Always test out your modifications and everything when you're done. And hey, look at that. Works just fine. Cold water, hot water. And now, the batteries here will last for quite a while and shouldn't have to change them. So thanks for tuning in, and I'm, appreciate you guys stopping by. Like and subscribe if you like what I have going on here as I go through my house and have projects come up. I'll be putting up what I'll be going on with those, and yeah, thank you.